Hey guys, just a quick book update for you. I know a lot of people have started to wonder what's going on. We were hoping to have books shipping at this point, myself included. Unfortunately, we don't. We had a couple production delays at the printer, which is kind of just par for the course. I suppose the fact that I'm surprised at that shows my naivete in the printing industry. At any rate, we sent James, our photographer, up to the printer today to get a look at exactly what's going on. We were hoping to get some video of the actual page gilding process, applying the gold border to the books, because that seemed like a really cool thing that we could show you. Unfortunately, they weren't actively gilding my book when James was up there, but instead we got some pictures of what they've got, which are pallets of thousands upon thousands of copies of the book. Current status on them is that they are basically put together. They do not yet have the covers on them. So that's the next thing that they will be doing. That is progressing. They're running these, they're running 24-hour a day at the printer. So that's good. And in fact, I will be going up there this next week to sign all of the 6,000, 5,000 books that you guys ordered signed. So I'll be doing that next week. Send me good wishes for the survival of my wrist. We'll see how that goes. Anyway, we will have some more video for you from the signing process next week, which will be really cool. I don't have an exact idea of when they're going to ship. I'm not sure if they're going to be shipping them as they're completed or if they're going to get everything completed and then start shipping. Hopefully I'll find that out next week when I'm up there signing books. But for now, what I have for you is a good status update, I hope. I am excited to see them. The quality looks fantastic, which, well, I am irked that they continue to have a few delays here and there. I'm very happy at the quality of the books, and I know you guys will be too. So thanks for watching. We'll have more next week when my wrist falls off.